Alright, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you my brand new Etek 3. Features are LED 2-piece, def tech, offset feed neck, technology, curable clamping feed neck, brake beam, sensor system, and the best thing in the whole entire fucking world is a zip kit. Today I'm going to be opening it up and showing you. I already opened this up at the shop. It's black and white, two favorite colors. It's kind of hard opening this fucking thing up with one hand. My brother's an ender tank that has air in it. I'm gonna dry fire it at the end. There's the beautiful box it came with, usual shit. And now here is the perfect gun case. Look at that. It's zippered. I like that. I really like that. And here it is. All this usual stuff. A very nice, my own set of Allen keys. It's, the nicest I've ever seen. Let's put that back. A 2-piece barrel reverse, like always from a PE gun. Let's figure out what, it is. Yeah, it's .693, like almost every single thing. I want to hand it off to my brother. So I can reverse it. You don't want that tight. I'm just going to put that there. Take out the gun. Look at it. It's so nice. Magnetic trigger. It's stock. I love it. That's why I bought it.
I'll hold it.
I'm just going to put it right here easily. And I'm going to show you the manual. The perfect manual I've ever seen. Very in-depth of every single thing you're going to need to know about this gun. Now let's find that O-ring thing that tells you right here. Fuck. Let's find it. Right here. It shows you what number O-ring you need. Because right here, the bag, first two numbers is what you're going to need. Fits perfectly right here. But I'm not going to be taking that to the field whatsoever. Gun oil. Nice gun oil in a bag that, it's nice. Allen key, the usual stuff. The really nice made in China barrel condom. Warning. A nice. I think this is a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. I'm just gonna take it off right now. Put that there. I'm probably gonna put that on the case. Right there. See this baby in action.
Maybe you care about shooting that, so I'm gonna stop it.